My experience in WABMA has been so splendid.
My experience so far here has been very impactful, educative.
I have learned so much. My diction, my pronunciations are much better now.
My name is Juma Jibril, and I would like to say that my experience in WABMA has been so splendid. I had a good time. I learned a lot. It's something I would really want to experience over and over again. I enjoyed my stay here, and when I go back, I'm very sure that I would practice the things that I have learned. So thank you, WABMA, for this experience, and it's been really amazing. And then, meeting with people from different backgrounds, you just come in that space where you get to learn. You learn about other people. You learn better communication skills. So it's been amazing. Thank you.
My name is Fahimi Hana. My experience so far here has been very impactful, educative.
I came to WABMA for the basic presentation and basic journalism courses, and both of them were very effective. It has cleared up a lot of common misconceptions when it comes to English. I speak a lot better now. I'm more confident when I'm speaking on camera and in person. It really helped me boost my confidence.
What a wonderful experience I've had at WABMA. It's been an amazing journey so far. I have learned so much. My diction, my pronunciations are much better now. But WABMA, great time, wonderful experience. Thank you very much, and I hope to come back soon.
Thank you, WABMA.